Okay, the dishes have been in there from around 11 to 6 o'clock in the morning. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay, there's some condensation on the door. Let's see if everything comes out dry. All right. The cutting board is dry. Like dry, like completely dry. It's still warm actually. This lid, that's completely dry. All right. Let's see what else. Oh. Oops. Oh well, we expect this to be dry. I mean, this is completely dry. Let's see if dishes are completely dry. Yep, dishes are. It's not a drop of water left. All right, I just inspected every single dish and it was completely dry. Now, plastic. Okay, now I can see there's a pool of water there. There's some condensation in the cup. This cup is completely dry. Oh, no, not completely dry. Oh, there's some water right there. So plastics are still wet. Okay, this is rubber. Because of the water from the plastic, it got wet too. All right, but the dishes are dry. All right, let me inspect these and then see what all is still wet. So I just moved most of the stuff away. The baby bottle was clean inside, like squeaky clean. Like I put my finger in there and feel it. It's not greasy or anything. It's squeaky clean. Okay. So everything that's glass came out very clean and dry so far. Yep. They are all not clean and dry. All clean and dry. All right, now for the third rack. Clean, dry. Yep. Chopsticks. Clean, dry. Yep. Let's see. Nipples. Oh, a little bit of water left in there. This is plastic, so a little bit of water left in there. Let's see this plastic thing. This is pretty dry. Like I could put it back in the handle of the knife is dry. That is dry. Oh. Oh, that's dry cabbage. Actually, the instruction says to use the holding basket for these items too, so maybe I need to do that. Yep, it's caked on there. Okay, everything came out great. Oh, this is a little wet over here. Everything came out great. Oops, one of the spoons flopped over, so there's a pool of water on it. Rubber straw. Yep, it can be put back in the cabinet right away. So the only thing that's so basically the only things that are wet are plastic and some rubber items, but they're not sopping wet. They're just a quick dry and you can put them back, not like my old dishwasher where everything came out sopping wet. and it was a GE. The only thing that came out dirty is this, but I had it on there for a long time. Well, actually, I think I left it overnight because the dishwasher broke and it dried on there. So yeah, I would say this is a good quality dishwasher. Washes and dry your dishes well. The only thing I would want extra on this machine is an automatic open door, which the Miele has. And the other brand that I was looking at was that I was comparing this with was the KitchenAid and the Miele. But the Miele would have taken, I would have had to order it, and it would have taken a long time. The KitchenAid would have taken a week. So, and plus this is good. This dries really well without using extra electricity because there's no heating element down there. So I really, really like this machine.